Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create Yahoo email account 2024. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. There, click on Sign In. Now click on Create an account. After this, complete all the account details such as your name, the email to use. They will give you suggestions, the password to use, and the date of birth. When you complete this information, click Next. Enter the number where you will receive the confirmation code. Choose the method to receive this code and then you must enter it. You can complete the process to have your Yahoo account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.